I'm going to show you how to create styled text boxes in WordPress the easiest way using nothing but the built-in block editor. No plugins, no code. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. If you are adding this to a page, click Pages, then All Pages. If it is a blog post, click Posts, then All Posts instead. I'll add mine to a page, so I'll hover over the page title and click Edit. Now click in the editor where you want the box to appear. I'm putting mine right under the first paragraph. Hit the plus button at the top left to open the block inserter. Type the word group into the search bar. Select the group block. WordPress drops a container onto the page. Click inside that container, click the plus button inside it, and add a paragraph block. This group block is the main container for the whole text box, and that matters because every background, border, and padding setting goes on the group, not on the paragraphs inside it. Type the text you want inside the box. I'll type important, : make sure you save your changes before leaving this page. Now here's where most people go wrong. The paragraph is still selected, and if you add the background now, only the text gets highlighted, not the whole box. You need the group block selected. Click the outer edge of the container, or choose Group from the block toolbar. If the toolbar is not showing, click the List View button near the top left, and select Group from there. With the group selected, open the Settings panel on the right side. Find Styles, then Color, depending on your WordPress version and theme. Choose a background color. I'm using pale yellow. Your text should now appear on a tinted background. I'd keep the page to 2 box colors at most, because too many colored containers on one page makes everything compete and nothing stands out. Next, select the paragraph block and open its color settings. Choose a text color with enough contrast against that background. On pale yellow, I'd keep the text near black, not a mid-gray. Light text on a light background is the fastest way to make a box unreadable. Now select the group block again. Open Dimensions in the right sidebar. Look for padding and increase it. I'm setting all 4 sides to 24 pixels. That creates space between the text and the edges, so it looks like a proper text box instead of words jammed against the color. If 24 feels too tight or too loose, drag the padding values until the box looks comfortable. Do not create that inside space with repeated blank lines or empty spacer blocks. It looks fine in the editor, then collapses on mobile and leaves uneven gaps. The built-in padding control is the only one that holds up. If your WordPress version shows border under Styles, I would add one. Open Styles, then Border. I'm turning on a 1 pixel solid border and a slightly darker yellow. Then I'll set the border radius to 8 pixels for rounded corners. If you want a traditional rectangular box, leave the radius at 0. A border is optional, and I only use it when the box needs a harder edge against a white background. Otherwise, the background color already does the job. Now I'll add a heading. Click the plus button inside the group. Add a heading block above the paragraph. Type important information. With the heading selected, I'll make it bold and a touch darker than the paragraph, because the title needs more weight. You can also place multiple paragraphs inside the same group. Click the plus button inside the group again and add another paragraph block. I'll type, "This notice only applies to the checkout page." That extra paragraph stays inside the same container, so you can have an intro line and a detail line without creating a second box. Then click the plus button inside the group again and add a list block. I'll add 3 short points. Check your settings, save your changes, preview your page. Keep the points short so the box stays easy to scan. All of it stays inside the styled container. This structure, group, heading, paragraph, list is what I use for notices, tips, and announcements, because you can move the whole thing around as one block without breaking the styling. When the box looks right, click Preview in the top right. Check the text readability, padding, background color, border, spacing, and overall width. Then switch to Mobile Preview. This is where tight padding shows up badly. The text gets too close to the edge and the box feels cramped. So open the list view, select the group, and increase the left and right padding. I'd go up to 32 pixels on each side for very small screens. Also check that the background color does not make the text harder to read on a dimmed phone screen. When you are happy with it, exit Preview and click Update. If this was a brand new page or post, you'd click Publish instead. Now that you have one box styled, the fastest way to build a warning box is to duplicate the whole group block. Click the 3-dot menu on the group toolbar and choose Duplicate. Then change the background to a strong orange or red, swap the heading to Important, and edit the text. Duplicating keeps your padding, border, and heading styles consistent, so every box on the page matches without rebuilding anything. The same method works for a tip box or an information box. Just change the heading to Tip or Information and pick a background color that matches the tone. I'd keep the same border radius and padding on all of them. That consistency is what makes the page look intentional rather than thrown together. If you can't find border or a specific color control, the theme is probably hiding it. Click Appearance in the left sidebar, then Editor, and look under Styles for the block settings. Some themes limit what the standard editor can change, and this is where you check. Other than that, everything we just built stays native WordPress, no plugins, and no custom code. If this got your text box looking right, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.